Hey guys, what's going on? Jack here from Jack's Drum Shack. Hey, I got a new snare for you. I want to share this one with you. This is one I made for a client. This is actually going out to my buddy Todd. I'm going to do a quick sound demo of it today before we get it in his hands. And just want to let you know a little bit about this. So this is a 14-inch by 6.25. It is whiskey barrel oak. This actually came from the Buffalo Trace Distillery. This particular barrel that this snare drum came from was put in service in 2013. Bourbon is typically aged 7 to 9 years, so this wood had a lot of time to absorb some of those elements inside. When you work with this wood, it has a very, very sweet smell to it. So I'm not a whiskey drinker, but the more I work on these, the more I want to start trying some whiskey. I tell you, it's a wonderful smell. So anyhow, for Todd, I put an aged finish on this one. It is a light char, as you can see, all the way around. And also, and I know I've featured this once before in another video, but the Buffalo Trace Distillery in Kentucky is actually on the list of National Historic Landmarks. So they have a pin, and what I've done is I've embedded the magnet, the backside of the pin, into the bung, and that snaps right on there. So it's a little nod to the history behind this wood that was used to initially make a cask or a barrel for the whiskey, but now it is a drum. You can also see here, if I turn sideways, this is the bung and the bung hole that came out of the actual barrel. I wanted to integrate that as well, just to give it a little touch and a little added awesomeness. So the inside has a full char, and yeah, this is looking pretty nice. I've got Aquarian heads on this, the Aquarian Studio X on the top, and on the bottom we're looking at the high performance snare side head. Let's go ahead and turn off the snare so you can hear the tom sound. So here is a nice tone, nice sustain. It's got 45-degree edges on the inside with a slight round over on the outside. Here's what it sounds like with the rest of the kit. On the outside edge, we've got nice snare engagement. Once again, a little nice fat snare sound. Great rim shot. Let's hear what it sounds like with the rest of the kit. It's got a nice tone, nice fat sound to it. Let's go ahead and tune this up. Get to more of a pure medium sound. Let's see where we are there. Let's give this a run through with the kit. Nice tone. Let's go and get those snares engaged. And let's listen for that articulation in the snares now. Engagement of the snares even on the outside edge there. Let's give it a run through. response off that head of that tuning. So once again, that's about a medium tuning. Let's get that up into what I call Tommy Town. One of my buddies here in the studio likes to crank up those snares, and his snares sound pretty awesome. All right, let's see where we are now. Turn our snares off. There we go. Let's see what this sounds like with the kick. Once again, the sensitivity. You can really hear it engage there. Great response off the head. All right, we've got it up to a high tuning now. Let's go ahead and check it out with the rest of the kit. 1, 2, 3. All right, guys, well, there you have it. This is the Whiskey Barrel Oak Stave Shell from JDS. This is the 14-inch by 6.25-inch depth. It's got the Aquarian Studio X heads and a high-performance reso on the bottom. And it's outfitted with black nickel hardware, which is very sweet looking against this natural wood tone that's got the light char on it. So I do have more Whiskey Barrel Stave wood. I have enough to do about, I'd say about 6 to 8 more. So we'll be doing a limited run of these. Once that's gone, I can't guarantee when I'm going to have those whiskey barrels back at the shop. So if you're interested in one of these, let me know, and we can discuss all your needs and your wants, and we can customize this to your specifications. So let me know if you have any questions, and we'll see you on the flip side. Later.